that soft object. It's basically the object's just going to land and it's just going to be squishy. So this would be perfect if you've got like any kind of anime kind of stuff and you've got like these kind of, I don't know, replications of soft toys or something, and you just want like a kind of squishy kind of feel to everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, so we got this one on collision from the physics tab right here. This one, we're going to put it down as cloth. And so if we just press the space bar real quick, it should come down. It just kind of squishes and it kind of melts. So we don't want it to go through, but we want some sort of stability here. So we can mess around with the weight a little bit. You can get it like really heavy. It kind of just squishes down. I think having a plane is probably best for this. I'm just going to switch this out for a plane actually. Mesh plane, let's see what we can do with this. We'll put this as collision. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you can see that it kind of becomes real squishy. So, if we click on the icosphere again, we can do, you've got steps, you've got all sorts here, you've got tension. Let's put the tension up a little bit. It kind of just folds in, but yeah, you can like reduce this. You can have like a 1.1 kilogram, and it kind of just like bounces. If we take that up a little bit more, maybe, so just pull that up a little bit more, let it go. We kind of just have this bounce. So now you just mess around with the settings, see what you want.